Hello, Muraho, Amakuru, how are you? This is your Kinyarwanda teacher, Denyse, from Muraho Rwanda, Language and Culture Resources, as you can see on my t-shirt. So I'm here to explain what we do at Muraho Rwanda. Most of you guys, you know, but maybe you are just checking this video for the first time and you don't know what is Denyse, Muraho Rwanda, Kinyarwanda teacher. So I'm here to explain you. As you see, this is my office. I'm now located in a new place called Tea House Restaurant and Co-working Spaces in Kinyarwanda. We just moved in this month, and then I wanted to keep introducing what I do and introducing the new places so that you know where you can find me. As we used to work in Mura, now we are in Kinyarwanda. We teach Kinyarwanda, we teach languages, we teach Kinyarwanda, we teach English, we teach French, we teach people in different categories, adults, we teach children, we teach young adults, we teach so many people in different categories, and we use different methods. I wrote books, language books that I use, and I also wrote storybooks, children's storybooks. This is one of the books that I wrote. It's a very small books for children, picture books, just to help people to learn Kinyarwanda or just to read for leisure. So I know that you guys, you like to read, so that's why I'm putting together different materials for reading, for learning languages, English, Kinyarwanda, and French. And this is my new location, Tea House in Kinyarwanda. Most of you guys have checked my YouTube channels. I have 2 YouTube channels. This is the YouTube channel, Denyse, Teacher Denyse, and we also have another YouTube channel, Muraho Rwanda. So please, if you speak Kinyarwanda, you can check Muraho Rwanda. I have put different videos, different topics, but I also put some videos of my students who are fluent in Kinyarwanda. So maybe it can inspire you and also know, like, if you didn't know that some people are learning Kinyarwanda and they can really speak it very well. So you can check out Muraho Rwanda, then you will see different videos that we have posted last year, 2024, for students who speak Kinyarwanda, and different topics that we have introduced on our channel. For teaching languages, I also use the language teacher Denyse as my YouTube channel. If you want to learn Kinyarwanda, that's where you find me. But if you want to learn English, you can also use this channel because I speak English and Kinyarwanda at the same time. So that means like there is opportunity also to learn Kinyarwanda and to learn English at the same time. For people who speak French, we are soon coming also with a different channel, and we are going to start teaching children different languages, French, English, and Kinyarwanda. I'm based in Rwanda, of course, and in Kigali, for you who are just checking this for the first time. And my passion is to teach languages, but my background is translating. I studied translation and interpreting in the University of Rwanda, finished 2010. That's when I finished and then started as a translator. And then later on, I just find myself really interested in teaching people my language, Kinyarwanda. So for example, like we'll be like on the field when my client will be asking me, how do you say this in Kinyarwanda? And then I keep teaching them, teach them the greetings, things like that. And then I just find myself enjoying teaching people. That's when I started. 2010, that's when I started teaching Kinyarwanda. And then later on, I just find myself enjoying meeting new people, learning new cultures, learning about different countries. So you learn countries, you learn people, you learn cultures, and while you are teaching, that means like most of the time it's not teaching, it's more like exchanging. So what I do when I teach, I have made some books, some learning books, some teaching books from level 1 to level 4. So I have 4 books in each level that I use for teaching people who don't speak Kinyarwanda. And for English, so many materials are there online. I have a very good book also I use to teach English. And I have also made different teaching aids. For example, flashcards. I have even normal cards, you know, when you want to teach numbers. There's some games that we use, and we use the normal cards, the game cards, like those ones. And different books. We have English books, Kinyarwanda, Swahili books, all the books that you want to check for language learning. You can ask us where we are working here in Kinyarwanda at Tea House Restaurant, and we can even give recommendation where to find books, and just books for learning the language most of the time. We can give you a recommendation, and we can also help you to training how you can teach your children a different language. So we also do that. We train parents. We give advice and materials to use to teach a second language. So for example, you can make your own materials. Just you can cut different papers in different colors, then do some games with children, or even learners, like any category of age. Actually, they like to learn through cards and something that to touch on, or to. We do listening. We have different audio files that we made. We do listening. We do writing. So we do all the skills. We give all the skills to learn languages. So here, that's where you're gonna find us in Kinyarwanda at Tea House, and we can explain you more. If you can't find us in Kinyarwanda, also you find us online. We have social media pages on Facebook, Muraho Rwanda. We have Instagram. My name is Denyse Umuneza, and we have different sources and where you can find us, because we teach online. I teach online. I teach in person, and if you want to catch me, you can just check my Muraho Rwanda page on Facebook, and you have all information about my teaching. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and so many videos are coming up, and please give us some feedback and comments so that we can improve our services to help you learn new languages, French, English, Kinyarwanda. Thank you so much. See you next time.